Now we're going to set up your Facebook pixel. You might be wondering what I'm talking about. So what is a pixel? The Facebook pixel is an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your ads by understanding the actions people take on your website. So what that means is it's a tiny piece of tracking code that's going to tell you what actions people took after they clicked through your ad. This is how we figure out if our ads are working or not. You can use the pixel data to make sure your ads are being shown to the right people, to build new advertising audiences, and like I said, to track the effectiveness of your ads. So the Facebook pixel looks like this. It's a small piece of code. And if you're allergic to tech, don't worry. You don't have to be technical to install this. Now, why even mess with this pixel? Because you can create what's called custom conversions. This is going to track if people took the actions you wanted them to take. So this is how you'll figure out if people opted in on your landing page. You can do retargeting with it. So this is how you cookie people to follow them around the internet and retarget to them on Facebook. You can build what's called a lookalike audience with it, which means you can target people who look like the people who are responding best to your ads. Now we'll cover that later, so don't worry about it right now. And you can optimize for the best leads and customers. So the way that the Facebook algorithm works is it uses your pixel to figure out who else it should show ads to. So let's talk about how to install the pixel. You're going to want to create a new pixel in the ad account. Now use a different pixel for each ad account. So if you're working on one client's account, make sure you're using their pixel and not your pixel, not a different client's pixel. You want a separate pixel for each ad account that you have. So you're going to copy the pixel from your dashboard and then paste it into the header of your website. Now let's look at what that looks like real quick. So here I am in one of my ad accounts, and you're just going to go up to Ads Manager, go over to Pixels. Now if you don't have one already, you're going to be given the option to create a new pixel. Go ahead and create that pixel. If you've already created the pixel, then we're just going to copy the pixel, go to Setup Pixel, manually install the code yourself. Now you can also email the instructions to your developer if you have one. So if you have a client who's going into the account for you, you can have them email to you. Then you just copy this pixel to your dashboard. I'm going to show you in ClickFunnels real quick how to set it up. So you want to choose the funnel that you want to put the pixel into. Go over to Settings. And right here you can see we have head tracking code. And so I'm just going to paste this code into the head tracking code. And now this is going to automatically go on every page of my funnel. Go down to the bottom and save and update settings. And now you have your pixel installed on your funnel. Now I'm going to show you in a couple new videos after this what you can do with the pixel. But for now, go install it on ClickFunnels. If you're using WordPress, which is one of the most common websites to use for your clients, you can go ahead and install it on WordPress by following the instructions in the video right below this. Now the next thing you want to do is install Pixel Helper. Go ahead and go to Google and just search Pixel Helper Chrome. And then click on Facebook Pixel Helper, add it to Chrome, and now in the upper right hand corner of your screen, I'll show you, you're going to be able to see if there is a pixel installed on the page or not. So you can see this icon right here, Facebook Pixel Helper. You can hit that and it's going to show you if the pixel is installed. So if I want to see if it properly installed on this page, I'll just hit Facebook Pixel Helper once it loads. So that's how we know that our pixel is installed. If this is white, you need to go back and figure out if you installed it correctly. Now we want to jump over to your business manager and just confirm that the pixel is firing, which means Facebook is tracking activity on that page. So whatever page or site you just installed the pixel on, go visit that site in your browser and then head on over to your business manager, click in the upper left-hand corner, go over to Pixels, and right here you can see the last 7 days. This is green, which means the pixel is firing, last received 47 minutes ago. If you just installed it, you should see activity right there. If you don't see any activity in here, give it a couple minutes And if it's still not working, double check that you installed your Pixel according to the instructions you just watched.